Today, I'm going to show you a new way to use Codex for free using a combination of Codex and then also we've got Tencent HY3 that only just dropped about 24 hours ago. So this is a brand new model from China. It's open source and it's available for free on the API. Also, the other thing I would say here is that this API is only available for 2 weeks. So you might as well make the most out of it today, which is what I'm showing you. So essentially, we've plugged in HY3 from Tencent into Codex. You can get a free API from OpenRouter, and then you can easily get that API and build whatever you want for it, right? Now, we've created this custom version where we can use it with Go mode, we can see everything that we've created, we can check out the workspace. So if I show you an example of this, if we go to the workspace over here, and then we see what we've created, we can see everything that we've built, and we can preview everything that we've created previously using this powerful system. And the great thing about this is the HY3 is actually pretty decent when it comes to coding. It's not like Fable 5 level, but it's a free API. And also, the next time something else comes out that's free, you could just swap the APIs and change them around. So the way that you can do this is you get your API key from OpenRouter, as you can see here. And then if you've already got Codex installed locally, you can just ask Codex, listen, use Tencent HY3, give it the documentation from this page for OpenAI, give it access to your API key, and then say, give me a version where I can use HY3 for free with Codex. That's basically what we did. We actually did it with Claude Desktop instead because we wanted to build it into our Agent OS. And it was really simple and easy. Literally what I said was, can you set up HY3 for free with Codex, see the free API on OpenRouter, put it inside the Agent OS, took the information here, as you can see, found the free API, which was pretty nice, installed Codex, tested it out. It actually didn't work first time round, so I just quality controlled it, but then second time round, ready to go, right? And it's actually working. We can see the preview here, we can see everything we've created, and we can come back and chat with it whenever we want. Pretty amazing stuff. We also, for example, created a free coder with HY3 here too. So it's kind of similar to Codex, but it just runs directly with HY3, no Codex involved. And then we can prompt it over here. We get the preview over here. We can save builds to our workspace. We see all the conversation history as well. And the great thing as well is like it integrates directly into our workspace. So let's say, for example, you're using Claude, you run out of tokens, you're like, what should I do? Should I stop building? It's like, no. Just take the same project and plug it into HY3 Coder or plug it into Codex instead so that you don't stop. And that's the great thing about this. Also, what I would say here is that if you look at this system, it really runs down to like two parts. Codex is the hands, right? So OpenAI's coding agent, you give it a task, it writes the files, runs the commands and reports back. And the agent itself is free to install. And then you've got HY3, which is the brain. So Tencent's new 295 billion mixture of experts model built for exactly this. It's designed for agentic coding and reliable tool calling. So on OpenRouter, the Tencent /HY3 free version costs nothing to use. And you can use it until I think it's July the 21st. So it gives you about 2 weeks to test it out. And then all you do is you swap it inside the config file. Now you could do that manually. For me, I don't personally like to do that myself just because I'm non-technical and I can easily just give it to Claude and then literally in 2 rounds, we have it ready to go and implemented. The other great thing about HY3 from Tencent is that you can actually go to Hermes here and you can have a free installation, a free agent profile with Hermes too. And that way you can use it for free in 2 ways. You can use it as an agent profile inside Hermes and also inside Codex, and then you can save and build everything you want. I haven't tested out with Goal mode as well, but that would be pretty interesting to use. And also, if you run out of tokens or if you get rate limited on HY3, you can also use another free API that plugs directly into it called OmniRoot. Now, OmniRoot is another free API that actually runs through like 93 providers, but either way, you can use Codex for free. We've also plugged it into Claude Code. So we've used OmniRoot with Claude Code, and that way we can use the agent harness and the power of Codex and free Claude Code, but with free APIs and that sort of thing, which is pretty cool. So pretty powerful stuff. If you're wondering what's going on in the background, so literally you give it a task, the profile loads with HY3, it runs through OpenRouter and the free API, 3 acts, and then you get the projects back in your workspace. So if we go inside here, for example, and we give it a task, and we can actually switch between OmniRoot and HY3 in the dropdown, and we can switch between auto approve, ask, or YOLO mode. And so if we ask it a task here, like, okay, just build out a snake game, classic sort of task, it will start working directly here as well. And also we can have that tab running in the background whilst we go off and do something else. So it's basically like one of the world's most powerful agentic harnesses with a free brain plugged inside. And we actually tested out for like being on a landing page. It looks pretty nice. Again, it's not going to be Fable 5 level, but it looks pretty nice and it was easy to set up as well. If you're wondering how does HY3 perform, by the way, we've got the output back there. So this is HY3 and it's pretty strong on agentic capabilities. Now, if you look at the comparisons here, it's not too far off Opus 4.8. Obviously, it's not at the same level, but the difference is that Opus 4.8 you have to pay for, whereas, for example, HY3, you get it for free, right? And that's quite a big benefit. Also, HY3 is open. It's an open source model, whereas, for example, ChatGPT is closed. Now, again, if you get rate limited on HY3, no problem. You can switch to OmniRoot as well, so you can switch between them. And this way as well, if you're using an agentic operating system like we are, then you use less tokens, or you can just delegate like the bigger tasks to smaller models that are free. And that way you don't have to worry about tokens and you can minimize the amount that you use as well. You can also, for example, plug into Codex open source projects like Headroom, Caveman, and Ponytail. They're all ways to reduce the amount of tokens that Codex uses so you can code for more with free models. And so if you look at the old way, it's like, every task was metered. Codex runs usually on paid models only. You kind of have to ration what you do because you don't want to run out of tokens. Free models particularly usually run out on the loop, and testing a new model means adding new keys and everything else, right? With this new setup, you have one profile. You can switch between these two free models, and anytime you get rate limited, you can switch between them. Plus, everything you create, you can preview inside the chat, and also you have the workspace for everything you've created over here. Also, you might say, okay, well, what happens when HY3 runs out? Well, then you could use OmniRoot, or there'll be another free API by that point. If you've seen anything this year, for example, like our alpha was another free API this year. So every single month, there seems to be something new that's a free API you can test. So if you want to get my full setup with the Agent OS, we've got free Claude Code plugged in there. We also have local models. We have OmniRoot, HY3 Coder, etc., and Codex. So you can use these models for free. You can get that inside the app off the bottom. Link in the comments description, or go to the appoffthebottom.com. We also have a memory system plugged in here and loads of cool custom workflows for Hermes so that you can use, for example, the Hermes Oracle or Hermes Astros or the Hermes Outreach tool, as you can see right here. So that's all available inside the App Off the Bottom community. Link in the comments description, or go to the appoffthebottom.com. Inside the community, you can ask questions, and I personally answer them with video tutorials every single day. Inside the classroom, you can get access to all of my best trainings. If you're a complete beginner, you can go from beginner to expert over here. And if you want our new daily updates, you can get them over here, as you can see, with new daily tutorials and our full Agent OS system. We also update the Agent OS daily, and you can get the zip file to install over there. Inside the calendar, you can jump on weekly coaching calls, get help and support in real time. Inside the map, you can meet people in your local area who are building with AI agents like you. And that's all available inside the App Off the Bottom. Link in the comments description, or go to the appoffthebottom.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.